It says it's recording.
Go tell Grandma goodbye. We're going for a walk. Come here.
Better put your umbrella up.
Put your umbrella over your head. Put your umbrella over your head.
All right, bye-bye.
Going for a walk.
Walk in the rain. Okay.
Hold your umbrella over your head. Go down, check the trash. Oh, put it on your head. Put your umbrella over your head.
It's raining.
It's okay to me.
All right, come back.
Get my belt tight.
You better put your umbrella up.
Put your umbrella on your head, honey.
There you go.
Like that, on your shoulder.
Ah, there you go.
Like that.
There you go, baby.
There.
How cute.
Now you got it. You getting wet? Are you getting wet, Bianca? You getting wet? No?
Nope. Umbrella keeping you from being wet. Now how do I turn it off? Just press that button again?
Yeah.